agents talking to each other as well, the constraints, the kind of governance that's needed to make sure that you are not leaking any internal information, you're not sharing stuff with authorities, things of that nature are very real. So as a community, we need to get to the point where we evolve agent ops governance in this new world, where you have brilliant people, LLMs working across organization. You want to make sure that they're not exchanging information that you don't want them to as well. But I think generally, Anthropic has done a phenomenal job of trying to balance this speed to market versus safety as well. It show they're more transparent in how it's thinking through it, and give a very detailed view of the safety checks and balances that they've put. So I'm all in on the Anthropic camp that the future has to be a little bit more transparent. You have to ensure the right safety mechanisms. But I'm not seeing this from an enterprise lens yet. As an enterprise user, I don't have control over what kind of a model training or rules they're setting for safety internally. Right now, all of that is baked in the original training process, right? Me as an enterprise, I may wanted to do certain things a little bit differently, in which case I may onboard an employee and tell them, here's how we're going to do things in our organization, right? Different from what you were originally trained or your previous owner or your previous company that you worked for used it, right? So I think we need more control over the safety metrics so I can relax and make them more constrained as I need. That is missing today.
I think that thought's actually an interesting place to close, which is that if our goal is to make something that mimics in some ways like the human brain and the way that human beings behave and think and reason, we should also expect them to do things that human beings do, which is sometimes not always what we want them to do. And so, but like